What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be changing some things on the BRZ. We're going to be upgrading to the LED lights. The old bulbs are yellow and dull, can't even see anything at night, so we're going to be switching that to the LED lights. We're going to be doing the dome lights, the door lights, the trunk light, and the reverse light. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first ones we're going to do is the reverse lights. For this, you have to jack up the car or put some wooden blocks underneath the tires. So you can access the 3 clips over here, one here, one in the middle, and one on the side here. So once you take those clips out, this part should just pop out and then you can change the bulb. And there you go, the piece is out. Now we have access to the bulbs right here, 1 and 2. So let's change those. So these are just twist offs. You can just twist to the left, it should come out. Same thing with this one. Twist to the left, should come out. Alright guys, so the next one we're gonna do is the light in the trunk. So the trunk bulb is right over here. As you can see, since we have the trunk open, it's on right now. So to take this one out, you just have to hold the clips on the sides, push them, and it should come out very easily. And then there's like a little cover thing on front of the bulb. You just push this and it should come out like that. Well, I took out the assembly because the bulb was on and it was super hot, so this should be a little bit easier. Because this one is a mission to take out, so I'm just using a flat head screwdriver and it just popped out. Now we're just gonna put in the new one. Close the little lid on top. Doesn't want to close. There we go. Now we're gonna plug it back in and hopefully it works. And there you go. That's the trunk light. Nice and bright. Alright guys, so the next one we're gonna do are the dome lights. So as you jump in the car, you see these yellow lights. They're not even that bright at night, so we're gonna be changing that right now. Alright guys, the dome lights are done, so this is how they look now. And the last one we're gonna do is the one at the bottom of the door right here. So to take this one out, Get your pry tool, put it on the side, and gently take it out. And the bulb is attached to it, so it's pretty easy to access. I'm just gonna take out the plug, so we're not touching like the super hot bulb. Now we can take out the old one. There we go. Put the new LED bulb in. Bulb turns on, that's a good sign. Put it back in spot. And now I'm just gonna do it on the other side as well. It's the same process, so I'm not gonna show it to you guys. You already know how to do it. Alright guys, so all the bulbs are on the BRZ. Everything changed to LED. Now the last thing we have to check is if the reverse lights are working right. So let me just start the car and check it out. Alright guys, we're on the BRZ right now. Super dark. I'm gonna open the door and see how bright the LEDs are. Wow, what a difference. Super bright. I'm gonna open the door from outside. Super bright. And we have the door light right there. See the trunk light. That's bright too. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the little video. Now it's nice and bright inside the BRZ. And I'm gonna go grab some food now. Peace.